Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's review, I wanted to show you what we were doing in the chat room this afternoon. I had asked participants which of these they would prefer. As we are in the heart of earnings season, you're usually faced with these two questions, which is, would you like to set up a trade that's going to have a large amount of risk but a high probability of profit, or would you prefer the other side of that, where you're going to be taking a trade that has a small amount of risk, but also has a small chance of actually making money? So when we got the results of the poll, those were leaning towards traders that are willing to put the money out there if they can have a higher probability chance of making at least $1. So with those intentions, we got into the earnings that were due out today. So 2 out of 3 have reported, and at least for the moment seems to be kind of on the right way of thinking for these. Now we can either look at the chart, or I often think that this risk profile tells the story as well. And the whole strategy behind this is placing unbalanced butterflies at the expected move. If you are bullish, I do it with puts. If you're bearish, then you would do it through calls. But the idea is that Amazon was expected to move up or down about $10. So we go $10 away from the current prices, and that's where you put the body of this unbalanced butterfly. So provided that we open up anywhere in the vicinity of this tomorrow, that trade will make money. And then we also have Meta, which is really incredible here, trading $440 after hours. And you can hear the full conversation in the recording of the chat if you are a member of that. But I was very clear that, all right, we're going to focus on putting a little bit of money out there in a way where we can at least make a buck, but I don't want to do it with short calls in Meta, simply because when you're at lifetime highs, it's kind of a blue sky territory thing, and these names can keep pushing. So these will be small credits, but again, it'll go a long way to fulfilling what traders were looking to do this afternoon. And while these two reports are way up above and far away from our body, so they won't achieve max profit, they'll still be profitable. But Apple is one that hasn't reported yet, and then we'll see how this one winds up. You'll notice that this one has a body that is a little bit closer to current prices. So tomorrow, if Apple opens anywhere bullishly, right, everywhere up here is going to make a little bit of money. If it opens up around 182 half, that's where you'll achieve the most. And then, of course, if Apple goes to 0, we do still have defined risk in the spread. So that's the way that we traded this afternoon. That's what we're going into tomorrow with. If you haven't used that strategy before around earnings, I would highly encourage you to check it out, and we'll see how these look for next week's examples. Y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.